guys, me Patrick here with my cousin Jermaine, and we're doing the Fortnite dance challenge. You can go first.
Patrick's turn, right?
Okay, what is it?
I got dance moves. Right, so you know the dance that goes like that?
Is it?
The default dance.
Just do
The
it.
first dance you get. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm so bad at this one. Okay, my turn.
You got.
Move down a bit, sure.
You got hype.
Hype, okay.
Oh, right, you have to do hype. Right, move over a bit.
Okay.
Right, next.
Oh, okay, you can go first. You can go.
Groove jam.
Groove jam. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's funny. Okay, my turn now. Okay, you got 10 minutes.
You over there. Tidy.
Oh. Oh, we did the cringe one. There's a cringe one in there. I don't know.
Orange justice.
Oh,
yes.
I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Okay, go Patrick.
Oh, I'm going to go for a big paper. That's the biggest paper out of all of them.
Oh. Here, let's see what you got. You got. Let's see. You got disco fever.
Okay. I'm so bad at this dance.
Okay, my turn. There's not that many left. I'm scared for this one. It's so bad. What is it?
What is it?
The dab.
Okay, easy.
3, 2, 1. Right, go Patrick.
Okay. Oh, one fell.
One fell.
That's okay.
Oh,
We saw those left.
Fell between the dick and just knocked out.
the worm.
Oh, hard.
It's really easy.
It's hard. It like hurts my belly.
Right, so.
Isn't it my turn?
No, it's my turn.
Did
Right, so. Click.
Is it the one goes this?
No, it's when you do that.
What?
Whenever you run up and do that.
Like this? And you run like this? I'm so
3,
bad.
2, 1.
Okay, I'll do it right now. Ready to go. Oh,
Okay.
my turn. We haven't that much left. And as you see, I'm wearing a Fortnite t-shirt here.
Best mates.
Oh, I'm so bad at this. Oh, I'm so bad at the floss. So I hope the floss is not over. That's enough. Isn't it my turn?
That's my turn.
There's a bird.
Guys, I thought I fell for the taking again. Right.
I fall for your legging.
No, I thought I did. Nearly did. Right, what's that? Wiggle.
No.
Bend your knees, Patrick.
Okay, it's my turn. Go. that much. Well, can
I
I
didn't
shape
shape
it? Okay, you can do it.
Right, so you got breaking.
Oh, what's that?
That's the one where you do breakdancing.
Oh, it's the one where I'm just going. Is it the one because of this? Look. I'm so bad. I cannot do a bit where you're up in your hands. What one do you do? No way.
Oh, please, please.
Please don't be fast.
Patrick, turn around.
Take the L.
Okay.
Let's take the L. Lisa red. Go over there, but it's whatever.
Okay. Going my turn.
Ooh, there's
Two
nothing
left. Only two left. I won't fold it. What is it?
It is.
Something bad in it.
It's Hood and Annie.
Do it.
It's the dance in
Is
the
it
other
this?
shop.
I find the first.
Wait. Last two dances. Oh, three dances.
You just read them out. Turn around. Patrick.
Fresh.
Oh, that's hard. Okay, it isn't hard. I cannot do that. Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'm not doing that. It's too hard.
Here, Patrick, last two.
One? Oh, it's two.
Oh.
We're so lucky that them fell in between.
Read the last two out, Jimmy.
Right, so flapper.
Oh, so what's this?
No, flapper's one if you go like that. Yeah.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm so bad at this.
It's over here, ready?
Okay, it's your turn, Lottie.
Oh, the last one, guys.
Oh, I'm so scared.
No.
What is it?
Since it's the last one.
Is it flipping sexy?
No, it's the floss. I wanted it to be electric shuffle.
I'm so bad at the fly. I'm so bad at the flies.
Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, like
And
and press the
subscribe.
red button and make sure to
Subscribe.
hit the
Notification
notification
button.
button. And how many likes will we get today?
I want 500.
No,
I already
no,
had that.
have it.
400. 50. Not 4 actually. Right.
Okay, 4 likes, and we'll do Fortnite second video.
Fortnite rap.
So, bye guys. We'll see you in the next video.